Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Amanpreet Kaur. I am representing GHS Chamba Kalam Block Chola Sahib District Tarantan. I am thankful to Education Department for launching Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan. Under this, my theme is COVID-19 and science. Coronavirus is a small germ. It cannot be seen with naked eyes. We need microscope. Under the microscope, it is round, it has spikes arranged like crown. Coronavirus look like a crown. Coronavirus origin in Wuhan city of China. COVID-19. CO means corona, VI means virus, D means disease, 19 means 2019. It's spread all over the world. Let's see how it's spread. When affected person talk, sing, sneeze, cough, coronavirus particles spread into the normal person. Virus can be settled on the surface like furniture, etc. look like this. This virus is very dangerous, so healthcare workers wear a PP kit. PP kit means personal protective equipment. Coronavirus enters the body from nose to mouth to windpipe to lungs. Let's see how it. सब तो पहला ये साडे नोज विच, फिर मूँह विच, फिर साडे वाइंड पाइप विचों हुंदा होया साडे लंग्स विच जांदा है. इस तो बाद लास्ट ते लंग्स नू अफेक्ट कर दिंदा है. A person complains of headache, fever, cough, runny nose, diarrhea, lack of smell, lack of taste, tiredness, breathing difficulties. So if you feel sick or have these symptoms, you should see a doctor. Sample this taken from nose or throat, sent to the lab for testing. Look like this. We all know prevention is better than cure. So there are some steps to get rid of corona. First one is wear a mask. Mask should not be come on neck or on a head. It should properly cover your face and nose. Second one is wash your hand. Wash your hands with water and soap for 20 seconds. After this, our hands are germ free and clean. Third one is don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth. If it happened, wash your hands or sanitize your hands. Avoid crowded places. Maintain 2 arm distance in crowded places. If you can use tissue paper, make sure that you throw it in dustbin. It will stop infection and also important aspect of Swachh Bharat mission. Eat well cooked and balanced diet. Yoga is key to good health. Say no to handshake, no hugs. Say namaste, smile and ear high five. Take care of elders. Stay home, stay safe. ਅੱਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਦਾ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਲਹਿਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ. ਇਸ ਲਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਪ ਟੂ 8th ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਘਰੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਵਰਕ ਫਰਮ ਹੋਮ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਿਲੇਬਸ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਮ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰ.